Today we will talk about how you can change your Word document into a file which is in PDF form. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, you should go to your internet, and in internet browser you click on I love PDF. Here you can see I love PDF. You go to this website, and in this website there are different tools available which are very good for the use. So I am clicking on this first link, I love PDF. Here I am clicking, and now it's showing me that sign up. You can sign up, you can log in also to it. I am directly using this PDF to Word. This is PDF to Word, and I am converting the PDF form of a file to Word. So I am clicking on this. Now it's saying me that select the file. I am clicking on this, select the file. I am going to my downloads. It's my downloads tab. Here there are different kinds of books or things. I am just clicking on this untitled design. I am opening it. It's showing the file now here. Now I click on this convert to PDF. You can check it out. The document will now be starting downloading. I think the document is here, download. You can see untitled design docs1. Now I am going to the folder. I'll check out the folder. This is the untitled design and this is the untitled design. Let's check out first this. This was the CV. You can see this is the CV. I am a little zooming out it. You can see here. This was the CV. Now I am showing you it in this untitled design in Word form. Let's check out it in Word form. It will take some time. Yeah. Now you can see here, this is in Word form. This is how you can convert your Word file, your PDF file into Word file. Thank you.